Hello everyone, it's Lurgs here. Welcome to my channel, and today how to replace the battery in your Volkswagen Key Fob. Okay, take your Volkswagen Key Fob and turn it over, and what you're going to do is this top case here, just push it upwards and out. There we go, that's simple. And I've just got a Swiss Army knife here, but any flat bladed screwdriver will do, and just push that in on the sides, and then look, it's trying to escape already, so it just literally pops out. And in the Volkswagen Key Fob, the battery is a CR2032. I got a whole packet of these from a local hardware shop. There we go, CR2032, it's 3 volts. And to put it in the key fob, just slide it in, push it against those springs, and then push it down with your thumb. Then put the cover back on. It just clips into place. And there we go. After all that hard work, it's time for a lovely cup of tea. Oh. If you found that video useful, please subscribe by pressing this button down here for more how-tos, helpful tips and life hacks. And if you'd like to select any other videos around here, that would be really cool. And be sure to hit that bell notification tab. On guard! Make sure you take your old battery to a local recycling centre, because we've only got one planet.